Hi, are you struggling to comb your Shih Tzu every day? Today I'm going to show you the 5 main areas to focus while combing your Shih Tzu without hurting them. My name is Atre and I represent Woofs and Wags. Today I have got Muffin with me, and Muffin is a long-coated Shih Tzu. I started off with the body, and the body is the most easiest part of the Shih Tzu to comb. I parted the center and from the center to the bottom I started combing. Just take a look. Once I'm done with the center of the body, I moved on to the legs. Now, leg is a difficult part of Shih Tzu and the knotting really takes place over here, which we often miss out. Make sure you take your comb deep down into the fur coat. Get the knots down by few millimeters. Tear the knot by keeping the comb motion in vertical direction. This brings the knot down and again comb normally. Once we are done with combing the legs, we will move on to the facial part, facial fur. Facial hair can be quite difficult to manage. Clean and comb the face after every meal, at least thrice a day. Comb from the nose to the moustache, down the beard. We then move to the belly area. Belly area, the skin is very thin. This must be taken care of. So if there are knots in the belly area stuck to the skin, even for the groomer, it becomes very challenging to reach out to the skin. The fourth most important part is the hygiene or the urinal part. I advise each and every Shih Tzu parent to take care of this part. It is important to clean the puppy after every release. The tip is often not visible when there is knot here. This makes it extremely challenging for the groomer to trim or groom this part, increasing the risk. Now let's move on to the fifth most important part, which is the tail area. Here, as you can see, there is a big knot in the tail part. Dogs tend to scratch their tail part, hence we often see knots in this part of the body. Today I am using a Trixie detangling spray to undo the knots of this particular Shih Tzu. I'm using a couple of bursts and leaving it for a while. I would leave it for maybe a minute or two. I would try to undo the knot little bit by hand and also with the comb, whichever is comfortable for you. Get it down by the comb for a few millimeters Now here is the trick. Hold the fur tightly closest to the skin. Make gentle vertical strokes to get the knot down. Tear open the knot by combing vertically and horizontally, alternating between the two strokes. The trick is to hold the fur tightly closest to the skin. This will help you to ensure that your puppy doesn't get hurt while you are trying to de-knot the affected area. I wish you a happy combing and a happy bonding environment.